can't see shit.
Oh yeah, no, I don't play with on Mario Kart. Him and Diddy Kong.
I don't know. I can't see through. It's too dirty. Is it a good idea to microwave this?
No. Let me see.
It looks like it's melting.
Yeah.
How long did you? Okay.
47 seconds.
Oh.
Oh no.
Looking good.
It looks like a pancake.
Is it hot?
Oh, it's so hot. It's gotta be. It's gotta be.
Oh my god.
Just pull the plate off. Pull the plate. No, just pull. No, pull.
No, it's gonna get stuck. we need a flashlight.
I know. I wish I turned flash on, but I guess flash doesn't work. Oh,
Why did you pull the plate out? In Vegas?
there we go. It's smoking a little bit.
Oh my god.
It feels fine though.
It's crazy if flarp survived.
It feels like it's ready for my dick to
Crazy.
go
It's
inside
just
of it.
back. It's back to its form.
Put it now. It's when you fuck it.
Oh yeah, that's nice. That's not even. Yeah.
It was smoking
It's
and
like a
it
hand warmer now.
makes your fingers smell weird, but
That's probably cancerous.
Yeah, I don't like that.
I'm
It's
gonna
cool.
wash my hands.
I'm over flarp.
Goodbye, Fleur.
It's radioactive.
oh fuck.
Feel like they're burning?
We unplugged for tonight, but tomorrow is